How to contact Booking.com customer care. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for Booking.com. Now scroll all the way to the down and you will see the option for Contact Customer Service. Tap on that and you will be able to see various options provided for helping the customers. Go through the topics and find the topic you are looking help for and tap on that and further follow the on-screen instructions to solve your issue. You can also send a message to Booking.com and they will further send a reply to your mail. You can also reach out to Booking.com via their official social media channels such as Twitter or Facebook for assistance. Booking.com also has support offices worldwide. So, for specific contact details, you can also visit their offices worldwide page. So, this is how you can contact Booking.com customer care. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.